Alright, we got iguana versus snakes. Full clip. Planet Earth. Let's see it.
And now the snakes are on the alert.
And now the snakes
This is
are
the best
on the alert.
opportunity they will get all year.
Come on, don't let the snakes take over the iguana. Iguana, get their ass, man. Don't let them do it to you. Kill him, iguana. Oh, shit.
On flat ground,
Woo! Look at him go.
can outrun a racing
Damn. Look at him. Oh, no.
snake. Are
Snake.
waiting in ambush.
No. They're ambushing him. No. Get out of there. I'm ruined for the iguanas, man. I don't like snakes. No. We got him. No. Oh, man.
Another hatchling has its first glimpse of a dangerous world.
Oh my God, could you imagine you wake up, that's the first thing you see? They're strangling your buddy. They're babies. Get out of there, man. You gotta get out of there. Oh no. No, I seen that one behind him too. Get up there, get up there. Damn, that snake's moving too. Getting it, he's gone. No. Ah, there's more? Why is there so many damn snakes? I just thought of like the line. I've had it.
A snake's eyes aren't very good, but they can detect movement. So if the hatchling keeps its nerve, it may just avoid detection.
Oh man, and he's sweating bullets right now. You can tell. Holy crap. He's over there like, oh, I won't move a muscle. Oh, don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Oh no, don't you move. Be good. Stay perfectly still. Coming up behind you too. Don't move. Damn. Damn, he got him. Did we get him? He's going. He's quick. How do they get this video footage? What are they, drones just flowing through the air, chasing these things? Look at how many snakes there are. Damn it, man. They got him. Oh, he got out. Oh, he got out. Get out of there. Oh no, there's another one right in front of you. Keep it going. Move it. No, he kicked him in the face. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. It was like a scene from Lion King where that snake just flew into the pit. He made it.
A near miraculous escape.
Did it. Screw those snakes, dude.
The lucky survivors could begin learning the unique way of life demanded.
Look at his mom's like, hey, you made it. Huh. Congratulations, you were the only one. Imagine being the lone survivor of that attack. Holy crap. That was Iguana versus Snakes. BBC Earth. Pretty good. Nature do be like that. For real.